Hi there. Welcome to our quick tutorial on adding translations to your posts in Kontentino. Post translations allow you and your team to input translations directly beside the original post text. Let's explore how it simplifies content creation and approval processes. Start by creating a new post or editing an existing one. Choose the Add Translation option. After clicking on this option, you'll see an extra copy field for the translation. Please note that the translation won't be published with the post on social media. It's for internal use and reference within your team or client. If you wish to create a post with the translation, first duplicate the actual post, then open the duplicate and select the Swap button. After that, the translated text becomes the post's copy, and you can proceed to schedule the post. There is also an option to hide translation, in case you need to focus on the original content or clean up the workspace. Post Preview allows you to see the translation in a separate widget, ensuring that both versions convey the intended message accurately. Also, if you swap the texts and use the translation as a copy, you can always see the original text that was translated in the translation widget. And that's it! Thanks for watching and happy content creation!